Welcome to SIRS Training Videos. My name is Lee. I'm with the SIRS support team, and today I'm going to take you through checking and verifying your term end update process. If you're not sure whether you've run a term end update for a particular term, or you want to verify that the term end update process ran correctly, there are a few areas that can be checked in SIRS. The first area that we're going to look at is under Schedule and down to Class Setup and Schedule. On the right-hand side, choose a class that should have gone over to history with this term end update. So in my particular example, I'm going to be choosing Art for Term 1. I know I've done a Term 1 end update. And I look at the Enrollment tab and there are no students. So this indicates to you that the process worked correctly, that students were completed from this class and sent up to history. The second area that you can check is also under Schedule, Student Enrollment. And you can look at a particular student and you'll notice that in the enrollment screen you'll see their classes, and over under completion status, if they've been sent to history, there will be a complete and also an end date for the class. The end date will display the end of term date. The third method of checking is under Marks, Individual Mark Data Entry. Here again, look at one of your students. Look at one of the courses that should have gone over on the term end update, and if you click on the Mark Detail tab, you'll notice that there's a method that says Moved to Marks History. So at the end of June, once you've sent all your cores and your academics over to Student History, you would expect all your classes, except for your Ns and ESL, to have this flag on them. And the last way to check to ensure the success of your term end update is to actually look in Student History. That's under Student, Student History. If you look at one of your students, you'll notice that you should have a current year displaying. In our case, that's 2010. You may have other years displaying here as well. You'll have a date as to when the term end update was done. So for this particular student, there was one done in September and also a term end update done in January, the one that I have just completed. It will show the courses that were sent to history and along with their final mark. If all these areas show the correct information, then you can be assured that your term end update was completed successfully for this particular term. If you have any questions regarding this or any other SIRS process, please call SIRS support at 403-817-7557 or email SIRS support.